let's see how to turn on spell checker in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word and open up a new document. And right here, as you can see, we have our document and our text ready. Now, for example, you're writing a pretty long document and you would want to ensure that all your text and all your words are properly spelled. Microsoft has the option to allow to check your words and spelling as you're working. And to enable it, simply click on the File tab, go over to Options, and click on Proofing right here. And make sure you check the checked spelling as you type. And when you type something wrong or is not considered as a word in your chosen language, you would see that it highlights it or underlines it in red. And that is how you turn on spell checker in Microsoft Word. See you soon!